Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I accepted the challenge. He must not shy away. What are these protocol excuses? It will only be in the interest of democracy and in the interest of people of Goa if a debate like this happens. Well, now I am given to understand that the BJP High Command has scolded the Chief Minister of Goa and asked him to not indulge in any such public debate. A Chief Minister or let his minister participate in a simple public debate without the permission of the High Command of BJP. Can he govern Goa?
गोंयांत आपाचे सरकार आयले काय 28 तासां भितर घरगुती कनेक्शनवाल्या 73% गोंयकारांक लायट फुकट. दिल्लीचे आणि गोंयचे पॉवर सिच्युएशनांत खंय व्हडलोसो फरक ना.
Next election in Goa will be an election between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Congress lacks credibility. Within 48 hours of forming the government in Goa, we will ensure that 73% of Goans get zero electricity bill and another 20% Goans will get 50% rebate in their electricity bills.
काब्रालान डिबेटी खातीर दिल्लो फोन नंबर खंय सध्या व्यस्त आहे. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.